Welcome to Trull Green Farm. We're in the village of Trull, just at the foot of the Blackdown Hills, minutes away from all the facilities Taunton has to offer. This is a beautiful home and I'm looking forward to showing you around. So the origins of this beautiful historic home go back to 15th century, although this part of the property, 1637, and you can just see the period features, but we've got elegance as well. And you think, gosh, what were you doing 400 years ago? It's days like today, this beautiful oak frame garden room just comes into its own. It really gives you the best of both worlds, and for me, creates a contemporary feeling to this historic home. What's not to enjoy? I can't think of too many principal bedrooms that have the luxury of space that you do here. Window seats to both the front and rear. It's just an absolutely beautiful room. Now, I've always thought that a new thatch is the best looking haircut around, and our clients in 2021 had everything replaced, so there is just peace of mind for an incoming owner. And actually sitting in this part of the garden, the wall gardens, sun's pouring down, doesn't get any better. More recent addition is this stunning outdoor kitchen. I mean, it really is exceptional. If you're somebody that enjoys a bit of socialising, whether the sun's shining or it's chucking it down with rain, this is something extra special to enjoy. There is so much on offer at this beautiful property. I hope you've enjoyed having a look around with us. If you'd like to have a full viewing, give us a call, 01823 423 500.